Hi friends, welcome to Aditi Food Channel. I am Sujata Shivashankar. Today I am going to show you how to make fish kebab. To prepare fish kebab, I have taken 1 kg of boneless fish pieces. You can take any fish. First step is to marinate the fish. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Add 3/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add juice of 1 lemon. Add salt according to your taste. Add 2 eggs to fish. I have taken 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. Add all-purpose flour to the fish. I have taken 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Add corn flour to the fish. Mix everything well. We have used only Kashmiri red chili powder, no artificial colors. Artificial colors are not good for health. They are in fact carcinogenic. Fish is marinated well. Keep it aside for 10 minutes. Heat adequate oil in pan to deep fry the fish. Oil is hot. Now add marinated fish pieces one by one in hot oil. Deep fry the fish until golden brown and crispy. Flip over to cook evenly both the sides. Deep fry on medium flame. Fish is deep fried, golden brown and crispy. Transfer it to the plate and drain the oil. Super crispy, delicious fish kebab is ready to eat. It is a perfect starter. You can serve it with mint chutney and tomato ketchup. Kindly try our fish kebab recipe at your home. Kindly comment, like, share and subscribe to Aditi Food Channel. Thank you for watching.